greetings from the apocalypse. So in this quick video, I'm going to tell you what you need to know about buying those shaped bezel mandrels to make fancy shaped bezels.
Hi.
Hello.
Jeanette,
Yes?
I'm borrowing this pencil.
Okay.
Wherever you are.
Go nuts.
Okay, just so you know. Oh, sorry.
We got that on camera.
This is how we do it. We do real life filming. Okay? So if the doorbell rings, somebody yells, this is reality based, man. That's it. This is
But we
how
have it on
is.
record that
That's
you
right.
got her approval to get
That's
the
right.
pencil, so we're good.
So Jessica was just asking a question about getting an oval mandrel. So she said, I saw an oval mandrel. Wouldn't that be great? Be so nice for making bezels. And I was like, eh. So here's the sad reality is that the shaped mandrels are never the exact shape as your stone. So like the square, the rectangular, they're oval. Like the oval you have will be a skinny oval, and the mandrel you get will be a fat oval. It's one of those things that like literally once in a billion, it'll be the right shape. So if you want to get one, it's fine, but like just don't get high hopes because it's very rarely the right shape. What actually I think the shaped mandrels are best for is making shaped links. That, you know what I mean? You make them round, you can shape them on there, beautiful. So it's not that they don't have a use, but don't expect to be making mandrels and don't expect to be making bezels and be like, oh, it's just the right shape and this is so great. Like it never ever is. I'm sorry. So now that I've crushed your hopes and dreams,